The topic number 5 is another basic topic. It is about graphing. Now, this is equation x plus 2y equals 4. It's a linear equation. How do you graph it? So you need to remember this equation, y equals mx plus b. I'm sure you've come across this many times. This is the slope-intercept form, where this value m is the slope, b is the intercept, y-intercept. What does the intercept mean? Intercept means the point, if this is a line, it's having a negative slope. Say, it's kind of like this. If intercept is basically this the point which touches the y-axis, the value over there. So if this is say 6 over here, then this will be 6. It must be 6. If it was like this, minus 3, then y-intercept will be minus 3 instead of plus b. Okay. Now, main thing is you need to write each equation in this form, because then it will be very, very easy to solve. It's y equals mx plus b. Now let's rearrange this equation. In the last video, we saw how to rearrange in the last section. So 2y equals 4 minus x. Now let's take this minus to the other side. Let's write mx. So x will be first. I'll just do it over here. What I'll do is it'll become minus. We're subtracting x on both the sides. Minus x plus 4. Now divide both the sides by 2. You will get y equals minus x by 2 plus 4 by 2. You have to divide everywhere. This. So you're basically getting y equals negative half x plus 2. So the slope is negative. Now you must remember, whenever the slope is minus, what happens is it goes downwards. The line is downwards. If the slope was positive, it goes upwards. Now here it's minus half. It will be something like this, plus 2. So the graph will be looking somewhat like this. Now since it is, okay, it's fairly close enough. Now since you will have the MCQs options, you can easily find out, okay, this was 2, yes, we got it correct, and it's going downwards. But what if there were two lines like this? Which is the correct one? Now this is based on the slope half, that's why it's expanding towards the x-axis. But I will tell you another shortcut method. Take any x value. Just choose any x value over here. Once you know the basic of the graph, it's going downwards and it's touching over here. Choose the x value. I'll choose, say, x is 2. All I have to do is substitute over here. I'll write the slope-intercept form. It's much easier. It was negative half x plus 2. So I will choose a x value of 2, which is over here, and I will substitute over here the same. X value is 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 1. Is it 1? Let's check. When x was 2, is it 1? Yes, absolutely. So that means it's correct. What if the two graphs have the same thing? So take one more point. I'll take minus 1. It should be somewhere over here. So instead of the x, sorry. Here, let me go back. Okay, instead of the x value over here as 2, I will have to take minus 1, and let me check the answer. It is 2.5. Whether it's true, yes, it's 1, 2.5. So this is how I can check the answer easily. It will work in any of the problem. Make sure you have it in the slope-intercept form, because it'll really help a lot. So now we have minus x. Let's take x as 0 plus 6. That will be the intercept. Yes, it's at 6, 2, 4, 6. And since it's minus, it's going downwards. You can choose any other point, say 3. I'll just change this x value to 3 over here. And the answer is 3. Yes, absolutely true. Similarly, please do this. I'll write the slope-intercept form via, it'll become y equals minus 3x plus 15 divided by everything divided by 5. Okay, it'll be divided by 5 and divided by 5. So the slope basically would be minus 3 by 5x plus 3 is the y-intercept. So we can see 3 will be the y-intercept. Okay, now over here, what's happened? Did I do anything wrong? No. Okay, it might be just the units, you know. Let me 1, 2, 3. Yes. So this is not at 3, it's at 5. Let me just. This has to be 3, but I think so. The scale is different over here, so that's why it's up. But nonetheless, it's minus 3 by 5. It's going downwards, and the intercept will be 3 over here. So 15 divided by 3, it's 3. Okay, sorry, it's 15. Yeah, it's 15 divided by 5, it's 3. Anyways, now let's do this one over here. Let's double check it over here. Y equals plus 2x divided by 3. Why? Because I'll just do it straight away. 12 divided by 3 would be 4. That's minus 4. So the y-intercept, the graph should touch minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, absolutely. And the slope is upwards, so it moves upwards. So this is the answer. Take any point and check. You will get the answer. So this is how we basically solve it up. Just make sure you remember the y slope intercept form. I'll write over here. Y equals mx plus b. Try solving more problems. Please do solve it by yourself, extra problems, and be thorough with it. That's it for the topic number 5. In the next video, next section, we'll move to topic number 6.